DJI, known for their lengthy design cycles of 2 to 3 years, has generated anticipation for the upcoming mid-range drone DJI Air 3 through leaked images and rumored specifications. Let's examine all the available information in details. Previously, an image of the DJI Air 3 camera module emerged on Twitter shared by Drone. However, crucial details such as the field of view, aperture value, and potential Hasselblad branding were concealed by the presence of an ND64 filter. Fortunately, authentic information has now surfaced. The DJI Air 3 will feature a wide-angle lens equivalent to 24mm with an aperture of f1.7. accompanied by a telephoto lens equivalent to 70mm with an aperture of f2.8. Additionally, a recently unveiled photo confirmed the drone's name as DJI Air 3, dispelling any speculation of alternative names like DJI Air 3 Pro or DJI Air 3S. Adding to the excitement, prominent DJI insider Jesper Allen suggests the possibility of an upgraded battery charger being included in the DJI Air 3 Fly More combo. This advanced charger would have the capability to simultaneously charge multiple batteries, eliminating the need for external charging accessories. Allen also speculates the introduction of a new O4 transmission system in the Air 3, possibly indicated by the presence of two antennas on the DJI RC2. A shared photo by Drone unveils intriguing details about the drone's underside, intensifying curiosity about its design. On the left side of the drone's underside, we can observe the first of two sensors comprising the downward vision system. This significant feature aids in obstacle avoidance and facilitates precise landings. Adjacent to it is the auxiliary bottom light, also known as the LED light. While primarily assisting in aircraft landing, it serves an additional purpose, activating a release mechanism for dropping items such as water bottles. In close proximity to the LED light, the DJI Air 3 houses the infrared sensing system, which alongside the vision sensors contributes to hovering, indoor flight, obstacle avoidance, automatic return to home, and accurate landings. Previous discussion regarding the Air 3 speculated the inclusion of either a 1x1.4" mid telephoto lens with a 3x zoom similar to the Mavic 3 Pro or a 1x2" telephoto lens with a 7x zoom. Recent rumors align with these speculations. The integration of the O4 system in the DJI Air 3, if the design assumptions are accurate, is likely to enhance video transmission, offering a higher quality signal with increased range, improved bit rates, and reduced latency. As leaked photos, pricing details, specifications, and FCC filing continue to emerge, the release of the DJI Air 3 appears imminent. DJI aims to address the gap between the capabilities of features of the Mini 3 Pro and the Air 2S by introducing the Air 3. To effectively bridge this gap, a price range of $1,300 to $1,500 is justifiable. Therefore, it is anticipated that the Air 3 will be launched with a price tag within this range. Previous discussions speculated a potential release date in the third quarter of 2023, and according to rumors, the Air 3 is likely to be unveiled this July. Are you eagerly anticipating the DJI Air 3? Share your thoughts in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for your attention.